Carole Middleton's critical role helping Kate navigate royal obstacle course. Kate Middleton's mum Carole was very critical in helping her daughter navigate the obstacle course of marrying into royalty, a royal biographer has claimed. The Duchess of Cambridge's parents, Carole and Michael Middleton, are believed to play a vital role in keeping a sense of normality in William and Kate's family life. Carole, in particular, is said to have helped her daughter navigate potential pitfalls during her relationship with the prince, who is second in line for the throne. Tina Brown, author of The Palace Papers, Inside the House of Windsor, The Truth and the Turmoil, claims that Kate's journey to becoming future queen consort has not been an easy one. She claims Kate has had to navigate an obstacle course much like a game of snakes and ladders over the last decade. She adds that while William and Kate were madly in love throughout the course of their relationship, the shift from being a royal family member's girlfriend to becoming part of the monarchy's future is a tricky one to navigate. Kate first began dating William after the pair met at St. Andrews University in 2001. As their relationship became public knowledge, Kate became the subject of intense media scrutiny. The pair split for a brief period of time in 2007, but the pair reconciled and their relationship grew from strength to strength before they got engaged in 2010. Ms. Brown told the Post, "They were madly in love all the way through, but, making it from the loving girlfriend to the future queen, that's an obstacle course. And it's like snakes and ladders. At any moment she could have stepped on the wrong square and hit a snake." The royal author went on to claim that Kate's mother proved vital during this period. Ms. Brown claims Kate's mother Carole Middleton was very critical in that time. Her mother helped her avoid the snakes on the board. Kate's parents are also said to play a vital role in William and Kate's everyday life as they juggle royal responsibilities with looking after their three children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. It is reported that the royal's mum regularly helps to take the pressure off from childcare duties as her daughter and son-in-law step up royal engagements. Since Meghan Markle and Prince Harry stepped down from their royal roles, and as COVID-19 measures were scaled back, William and Kate are conducting more duties on behalf of the crown. While the royal couple has their trusted nanny Maria Barallo to help them, Kate's mum also still regularly helps with the children. Royal expert Katie Nicholl told True Royalty's documentary Kate Middleton, "Here we go again," that Carole is indispensable and regularly visits Kensington Palace to aid the Duke and Duchess with domestic duties. Katie added, "One of the things that allows William and Kate to be so ordinary is the presence of the Middletons in their lives. Carole is a regular through those golden gates at Kensington Palace. She whizzes through in her Land Rover. There is no security because everybody knows her. She turns up to help with bedtime and bath time. She is absolutely indispensable." During Kate's 11 years as a member of the royal family, she has frequently appeared with Carole at a host of events and their close relationship has always been evident. The pair looked delighted to be in each other's company as they laughed with guests at Royal Ascot in 2017. Carole was also spotted accompanying Kate and holding on to Princess Charlotte's hand at the King's Cup Regatta in 2019. Carole credits her daughter with helping her come up with the idea to launch her business Party Pieces, with her husband Michael. The concept of the business came about after planning Kate's 5th birthday party and finding the party wear on the market lacking. Charlotte's hand at the King's Cup Regatta in 2019. Carole credits her daughter with helping her come up with the idea to launch her business Party Pieces, with her husband Michael. The concept of the business came about after planning Kate's 5th birthday party and finding the party wear on the market lacking.